Akiaria hindi ya kuheana indo icio kuri andu 700 aria mari na mawathe, murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa ukinyaniria kambuni ya Kenya Re, Gladys Some, augite kirathi kiu gigukorwo kiri kia mwanya kuri andu aya mai gukorwo magiteithiririo guthi na mbere na miturire ya utandu aria angi matari na mawathe.
Around November we'll be starting we will adopt a block F in Kise. Kise is the Kenya Institute of Special Education, where it's going to be a very big major assessment center for people living with disability, one of its kind in Africa and the 5th in the whole world, that is going to be used as a model in the whole of Africa, where people with disability will come and be able to be assessed, and so that we can be able to know how they can be helped in future.
Handũ-inĩ hake mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa andũ arĩa marĩ mawathe kaunti-inĩ ĩyo, Njiru Kathambara, augĩte no nginyagia aciari metikĩre kũruta ciana ciao iria irĩ na mawathe nĩgetha ihote gũteithĩka.
These beneficiaries you can see here today is the work of APDK. And we are asking our people, we are asking our chiefs, our assistant chiefs, village elders to ensure that persons with disabilities are known. There are parents who try to hide their children thinking that it is a curse. It is abnormal to have a child with a disability. It is not.
Oho nĩorĩtie thirikari kwambĩka mĩtaratara ya gũtigĩrĩra wabici cia wĩra wa mũingĩ nĩcikinyithĩtie ikĩro ingĩteithĩrĩria arĩa marĩ na mawathe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Waweru.